the Viva, okay? Please note down the important question that may ask in the Viva. So, what are the basic, question number one, you write down, what are the basic gates and what are the universal gates? Question number one, you please send me the copy of this, okay? CRs are there, Nazrin কোথায় দেখতে পাইনি তো আজকে আচ্ছা So question number one, you write down what do you mean by basic gates and what do you mean by Shubham, not Shubham. Shoham, please note down the questions, or Ritobrata, any of you, are you there?
Okay, ma'am.
Please note down the question. Okay, question number one, so that others you can share it in the. Otherwise, in the latter you can send it to your friends also in your unofficial. Okay, the selected Viva questions. Okay. So what do we mean by basic gates? What do we mean by universal gates? Okay. Next, you write down why we call NAND and NOR as the universal gates, because we can implement any circuit using these two gates. Okay, that's why we call these two gates as the universal gates. Okay. So the symbolic diagram, you know, I am not exaggerating the same thing. This slide is very, very important. Question number 3, you write down what are the IC numbers or of different logic gates. Okay. CMOS IC number, it is not the normal IC number. These are the CMOS IC numbers. What are the CMOS IC numbers of, like, we can ask that, and or nodes, or what are the CMOS gates? That can be the question we will be asking. Okay. So question number 3, I'm talking that what are the Ritobrata, are you writing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please share with your, what are the IC numbers of different logic gates, CMOS logic gates. Question number 1 was what is the basic gates, number 2 universal gates and why it is called universal, number 3 what are the logic gate IC numbers. These are the IC numbers. Okay, these are the symbols, you know. Okay. Now from this diagram, I can show you this type of diagram and I may ask you that in one IC, how many gates are there? Suppose if I tell you what is the IC number of NOT gate, I will be asking you out of this, all of these people, right? So let's see who are there.
Ma'am.
Aditya, are you there?
Ma'am, for this class where we have to submit the assignment?
Yes, the submission of assignment I'm telling you. I've already given you the link in the chat box. Please go through that.
Can you just again send the link?
Yes. I'm sending once again. Maximum by 3, I will be recapitulating. From 3 to 4, you will be doing. There are 2 questions. It is given here. You can find out in full adder and in 4:2 encoder. These 2 things you can do it in Proteus or Circuitverse. And Circuitverse platform, you know, here also the gates are there, input, outputs are there, and gates are also available. So the questions I will be giving here, you can do it in Proteus or Circuitverse, both. Okay, is it clear to you, all of you?
Ma'am, we'll only upload the screenshot, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And but for the final midterm, what we will be doing, I will be telling you. Okay. So in one IC, how many gates are there? That question can be there. That just note one thing. In more or less in every IC, we have the 4 gates. Is a 41, the 74071, or it is 4081, or it is 4011 or 4001. Mainly for all these cases, we have 4 gates in each IC. Can you tell me which is the notch? What do you mean by notch of the IC? Can anybody tell? What do you mean by this? Is known as the notch. Okay. And from this direction, actually, we are
And from
finding.
that side, we have to start counting.
Yes. In the anti-clockwise. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, and then it is the remaining part will be there up to 14. So and pin number 14 we can ask this generally pin number 14 or pin number 17 we use for VCC, that is 5 volt, and pin number 7 for ground. Is it clear to you? So these are the basic things, and except all these things 4069, that is the NOT gate. Okay, in those cases we have found that there are basically 6 number of NOT gates within the IC. So the question may be like that, Rito Brotha, please note it down. Which IC in the normal cases are having 6 gates instead of 4 gates within the IC? Okay. So what So generally all the ICs are having 4 gates, right? So which IC packaging is having 6 gates inside? There are lots of ICs, but whatever is known to you, that within that I'm just asking. So it will be 4069. Your voice is breaking. Okay. So this type of question, gate and truth table, I have to explain? No. I hope so. Yes.
What is the answer of that question which you gave right now? 4085.
406.
6 gates are present in the IC.
Yeah, Mr. Banerjee, please see carefully. All the
4069 not gate.
this AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, we do not have gate like that. Only all those things we have four gates inside the IC, except NOT. Except NOT. You can see that this is for OR because the symbol is OR. This is for AND. This is for NOT. You can see how many gates?
6 gates.
6 gates are there. Fine. Clear to you? Okay. Next question you write down. We can ask you, this is a primary question. If a student is unable to answer or upload nothing he or she can do, then at least they can tell the truth tables of all the basic and universal gates. You write down truth table of all the basic and universal gates. Okay. Truth table of all the basic and universal gates. I do not know how long I have to just accept this. That is the problem of Google Meet. Okay. So this is done. First part of experiment is done. Okay. And we use the Proteus tool, and you have all done this experiment. This was the first experiment. You have changed your name. This is the thing we have done. The question may be that from which panel you can select the ICs or input output in the Proteus. So it is PIC device. From which panel you type or select the ICs. Okay. It is the PIC device. Those who have used, they know this is a PIC device here. That's the P is there, right? The previous P is there. You can find. Yes.
ওই প্যানেলটায় কি বলে একটা লেফট সাইডে একটা প্যানেল থাকে না যেখান থেকে পাওয়ার গ্রাউন্ড ওগুলো সব পাওয়া যায়
Yes, I'm just showing you the thing.
প্যানেলটার নামটা জানি না
Which one you are talking about?
He's talking about terminal.
Terminal.
Oh.
You can write. No. You can right click and you can just check also. I'm just opening the Proteus and I'm telling once again. Let it be open. So you are talking about, I think, this one or this one.
Ma'am, this one, the yellow one.
Let's see. Any of the project we can check, right? Anyway, so this type of questions you may find, and this is from experiment 1, and you know how to put the ICs here from the PIC device panel. Okay, and you have seen this, all these things. Okay, logic state is the input, and you have used logic probe was the output. Okay, yeah, you know all these things. You do the start SVM debugging, or here is another panel. You can do the simulation by clicking this one, the triangular blue one. Okay, so this is the way we have done this one. Experiment number 1, nothing is there as such. Okay, now if you think about experiment number 2, so what we have done here, we have, this is important. Please note it down from experiment number 2. Please remember the Boolean laws. I can ask this one in the theory viva or practical viva. This is very, very important, especially De Morgan's theorem. Please note it down. Boolean laws. This slide is very, very important. Then De Morgan's law, consensus theorem. De Morgan's law, consensus theorem. Next, you write down how will you implement basic gates using universal gates. How many diagrams will be there? This was the diagram how you have implemented NOT gate using NAND. You remember this? Ma'am, please repeat. I told you in the previous slide, all the Boolean laws, special mention to De Morgan's law, that is A plus B. The bar will be broken and this will be, the sign is altered to dot plus to dot, okay? Or vice versa. Another is that if it is theoretical viva, then it is going to be the question you have seen, that is consensus theorem. Okay, maybe this is related. Now, for practical point of view, experiment 2, you have to implement all the that is basic gates using the universal gate. Okay, you have to implement all the basic gates using universal gate. Okay, what you have done here, you have basically done the implementation of NOT gate using the NAND gate. Okay, so what you have done here, you can note that borderline it was there, and you have done shorted means if you are going to give one, that one is going to be as the input of both the things, and you obtain 1 into 1 is 1, not of that is 0. So if you are giving 1, you are getting 0, or you can do the 0 input also. So you can find out that how will you implement. This is the circuit diagram actually you have to implement, not this one. This is the original NOT gate, this one. Similarly, if you want to implement OR gate using NOT, this is the second circuit diagram, and the corresponding truth table also you have to remember. Is it clear to you? So the implementation of NOT using NAND, implementation of OR using NAND, implementation of AND using NAND, and implementation of XOR using NAND. I am not talking about XNOR. Now up to this, do you have any query? So you have to implement NOT, OR, XOR, and 4 things using NAND. Similarly, all the 4 gates, okay, all the 4 gates you have to implement using NOR gate also. Okay, so NOR gate IC number, you know, the 4001 is the IC number for NOR gate. So you can implement, and the corresponding truth table will be definitely the truth table of XOR, and similarly for other tables for which we are implementing. So in this diagram, we can find that this is the first within the same file itself. You can do the 3 or 4 simulations if you want. So it will be like you can give one. I have not simulated that one, but means it is not debugged. I just diagram I have shown. So you can find out that one, this is a not implementation. This the others will be the or and implementations using NAND we have done. Similarly, if you want to, so have you written the question? Ritaprata, have you written the question?
Yes, ma'am.
That is implementation of all the basic gates using NAND. You write down in the same way, just giving the commas, implementation of all the basic gates using NOR. If you are unable to give the practical demonstration, even if you just tell me by writing, or maybe I will tell you to keep your videos on, then otherwise it is very difficult. Whatever may be the situation, we will think of. If not, the connectivity is low. So this is the implementation of not using NOR. This is the implementation of OR using NOR. This is the AND using NOR and XOR using NOR. Okay. Then we have find out that if you want to implement any function, any Boolean, that is a combinational logic function, any function F1, F2, we can implement that one using the basic gates. So it may happen, you next write down the question. The function will be given and you need to draw the circuit using Proteus or circuit verse. The function will be given and circuit diagram will be asked to draw. Okay, clear to you? So this is the example we have drawn. We have just went through. So this is the thing. Okay. Now the related things in the output is there. Okay. Now experiment 3, 4, 5, 6 we have done. So here in the 3, 4, 5, 6, I think it is week 3. So we showed in the week 3 PPT, the circuit was demonstration is also given. You can find it out here. And I have shown that one. I can also show you here also. Those any of you who have not used circuit verse? Many of you used, right? You can simply do that one if you want. Okay. So you scroll it and you can just find it out. From input, you will get the inputs. Yes.
বলছিলাম আজ যেটা আমাদের জমা করতে হবে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট 4 ওটা কি বেসিক গেটস দিয়ে করতে হবে নাকি 54539 দিয়ে করতে হবে?
Basic gates there. So you can find it here. Input, you can just put it here and you can connect this one. I hope Nilanjan has shown you, right? He told me that he is going to show you. হয়েছিল তো এটা?
Yes, ma'am. Sir has shown us.
Okay. So from output, we can find through the LED. So if you give 1 0 and if you give 1 1, this is going to glow, right? So we can find it here. Now, this is the way we actually did, and other gates you can do it. Then we talked about regarding the K-map solution, okay? Because we need to solve the half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. So meanwhile, I had taken your theory classes at that point of time. So in case of next question, you write down, simulate half adder and half subtractor using this, okay? Or simulate full adder, simulate full subtractor. You note the points, okay? simulate full adder, full subtractor, half adder, half subtractor. All the questions are there. So this is the full half adder using the basic gates you can implement. In Proteus, we use the AND and XOR gate. Okay, you can do it here also. I have not shown you the Proteus part was there. You can also do it in the circuit verse also. Shall I have to explain this one or will you able to do it? You can simply use the XOR gate and you can find uh, that is the adder part. You can find it here. Okay. This is comparatively easier, you know. But the problem is that there is no proper IC. So that is a problem. Okay, so 10 is the thing is that you know XOR output. And you can validate the half subtractor part. That is the thing is that you can validate this one. That is the circuit was like this. Okay. So we did the sum and carry. So if any of the two input is going to be 1 0 or 0 1, then the output of sum is going to be 1 and definitely will get the carry. Okay. So you check whether if this truth table is going to work or not depending on this connection. So you are giving 1 0. Let's see here. So if you are giving 1 0, so sum 1 carry 0 you are getting. So you are getting here sum 1 carry 0. Okay, so you can change the thing. 0 0 is both 0 0 1 can be same thing. 1 0 is same thing and 1 1 will be sorry. Okay, carry 1 sum 0. So this is the way you can validate. Those who are not, many of you messaged me regarding this. So those who are not having the Proteus, don't worry, you can do it in the circuit verse even if you are not having this. But I do not know whether in the COA lab it will be done or not. I talked with Shuchira ma'am. She just texted me that another simulation software. Whether ma'am has told you EDA playground was there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, okay. So I hope your doubt she cleared, I think. Okay. So half adder was done. So we did it in Proteus at that point of time. And if you go for that is today's assignment, you can do it full adder. So today's assignment is full adder, and you know in case of full adder there will be 3 inputs and there will be 2 outputs, sum and carry. And you know there will be number of inputs means if it is 3, then 2 to the power 3 number of input combination will be there. So a truth table you have to make for 8 input combinations starting from 000 to 111. And there will be 2 outputs. That means there will be 2 output columns. Okay. So that's why we made the truth table like this. There will be 3 input rows and columns, and from 000 to 111 we proceeded, and definitely the output we need to calculate. Okay. So this is a thing we actually have. So circuit diagram is basically this. So this type of circuit diagram, do you remember where we have used? Anyways, so A's or B's or C was the output expression of this sum of the full adder, and for the carry you got there are 2 expressions, whether it is AB plus BC in plus C in A, or you can have another expression that is AB plus A's or B into Cin. If you remember that carry, that is a propagation and generation part we did, right? Do you remember that part? Carry look ahead adder. This is very important. So actually full adder implementation we can use in various sectors, and you have seen in COE, if it is 4-bit parallel adder, ultimately the basic unit is full adder. Okay, or if it's a adder subtractor, even in the ALU design also. Okay, so if you have the ALU design, you have different components, multiplexers in the first stage. Second stage, you have the 4-bit parallel adder. So within that also the full adder is there. So unit, this is very, very important. Full adder component is very, very important as far as the architecture is concerned. So this is the thing. So can you tell me, any of you, what are the two functions I told you? Any of you, can I ask? Ornabrata, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the expression of the sum of full adder? What I told? If this is the expression, can you tell me the sum? Sum of what? This is this type of question. You write it down. What is the sum of the full adder? What is the carry? All those expressions I will be asking. Expression of sum and carry of the full adders. Please note it down. In case of sum and carry, we have done this one, right? So we did that A's or B's, or from there you can find, right? A's or B is this output, and this is coming to this OR gate, and you can see C is coming through this. So this is A's or B's or C. You please write it down. And for this case, you can find, can you tell me what is the C out? Can any of you tell me?
Ma'am, AB plus BC plus CA.
Yes, this is going to be, you just see this one. AB is fine. Then you have this one, seen, then this one. Okay, fine. You can find it out and you can do it. Let's see, some of you asked me. Yes, fine. So this type of question will be there, like the expressions I will be asking. Expressions of, please write it down, Ritabrata. Expressions of full adder, sum carry, and full
Yes, ma'am,
subtractor.
done.
Okay, done. Thank you. So this is a simulation part. In the previous class, he was asking regarding this, what can be the Viva questions, right? So this is the K-map solution, and K-map, we know how to draw the K-map like this. And actually there is no pairing we can do because the diagonals are there. So we can just do it by normal Boolean system. But here we can use the pairing. Maybe some overlappings are there because maybe some of the ones are still remaining. That's why we did this other pairings. And we got these expressions, okay? So these two expressions you can write it. Maybe I will be asking for the K-map also. Please, in bracket, please write down for the K-map also. So half subtractor is the next part. For half subtractor, we did this one, truth table you write down. So for any circuit, what you find out, whether half subtractor, full subtractor, half adder, full adder, three things you need to write. One is the truth table. Second is the output expression. Third is the circuit diagram. For every circuit, if we will be asking, three things you need to note. One is the truth table. Second is the circuit diagram, and third is the okay. So you can do it. So for this case, this was the circuit diagram for the half subtractor. It is similar to the full half adder, only one NOT gate is there. You can just discriminate between these two using this. So the question will be twisted like this. So can we implement, how can you modify half adder into half subtractor? What can be the answer? What can be the answer? How can we twist
Then
the,
we just need to do the inform.
yes, we need to do the insertion of a single NOT gate. Or do you require any extra gate to convert this half adder to, so it's not like you mug up and do, you need to analyze the circuit and you can just do it. This one you can find out the truth table of this half subtractor. I'm just showing you the things, okay? And for full subtractor, you have seen 3 inputs and 2 outputs. You have done the explanation part. You have done the truth table part. This is important. Truth table, equation, and the output. That is a circuit diagram. So if it is 3 input, I told you in the lab, if it is 3 input, there is no 3 input gate, or you can use the 4023, then you have to put a NOT, or you can use 2 OR gate, okay? 2 OR gate, or that is, you have to use 2 input gates, two input gates to implement this. Is it clear to you? So here you can find out that this 3 input OR gate, what I have done here, I have used this 2, that is suppose A and B. So A is OR B we did, and then A is OR B is passing as the input to the second OR gate, one of the input of the second OR gate, and we are passing this one, the third input. So we will be getting the final A or B or C. That is a difference of the difference you have seen. This is the difference, right? So this is actually the output of this. So this one is like this. So let's see. So prime non-prime, you have seen this one. Can you do it? The question was circuit diagram for 4-bit prime number. I can also twist the question into 3-bit prime non-prime number generation. Okay. If I talk about 3-bit prime non-prime, can you tell me the answer? See, if it is 4-bit, then it is starting from actually
এইটা হয়েছিল নাকি আগে আমাদের ম্যাম?
7-8.
হ্যাঁ আমারও মনে হচ্ছে এটা করেছি আমরা আগে। মনে হয়
এটা কিন্তু করিনি আমরা।
ম্যাম এক সেকেন্ড আমরা চেক করে দেখি।
দেখে নে।
মানে
আমার মনে হচ্ছে
ক্লাসরুমে
আমরা জেনারেশন করিনি।
হ্যাঁ আমার নিজেরও একটু আনকমন লাগলো। হ্যাঁ ম্যাম পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে তো।
যতদূর মনে হচ্ছে হয়নি। আমি এক্ষুনি ক্লাসরুমগুলো চেক করলাম, ক্লাসরুমে কিন্তু একটা রকমের পিডিএফ সাবমিট করিনি।
না এটা দেখছি ম্যাম আমাদের পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছেন, মানে ম্যাম পড়িয়েছেন, কিন্তু আমাদের কোনো অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সাবমিট করতে হয়নি, সেই জন্য আমাদের মনে নেই যেরকম কিছু ছিল। মানে আমরা নিজেরা করিনি, ম্যাম মনে হয় বলেছিলেন হয়তো করতে হবে না, কিন্তু আপনি পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছেন।
আমি তো পড়িয়েছিলাম আসলে তখন।
আমরা নিজেরা যেহেতু করে নি আমাদের মনে নেই আর পড়াও হয়নি।
ঠিক আছে একবার দেখে নে, জাস্ট চেক ওয়ান্স। So actually it is a 4-bit number, তাই তো? If it is 4-bit, that means 0 to 0000 means 0 to last is, there are 2 slides, up to 15 we are doing, okay? Now 0 to 15, what are the prime numbers? In those positions I have put 1. So basically 2 is prime number, 000010 is 2, right? So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Done? So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, these are the prime numbers. That's why we have used 1 at the output. Are you getting my point? So if I want to make the circuits, how will you do it? So how many cells do you require? You require basically 16 cell K-map, right? And you can implement this one using,
আরেকবার দেখেন যেটা প্রাইম নাম্বার সেখানে আউটপুট 1 হবে, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, prime number is 2 3. Yes,
ম্যাম আমাদের অনলি এই প্রাইম নাম্বার গুলোকে নিয়ে কে ম্যাপটা বানাতে হবে কি?
একদম একদম।
ওকে, হ্যাঁ মনে পড়ছে এবার।
So we will be putting ones in the K map where the prime numbers are residing. Okay, and even I told you, I remember that I have used a separate type of K map for your understanding, because in some books generally we write the MSB like A, B, C, D in this side, but you see I have intentionally kept the AB in this side and CD. So, and you can see the numbers we have changed. Previously, we write like, if I write A, B, C, D here, we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, right? But if I keep AB here and CD here, we will be studying here A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, means this is column wise we will proceed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Shall I have to repeat? I think I have to repeat, okay? Do you have any other classes, repetition classes? Do you have of digital?
নো ম্যাম।
Okay. Fine. Is it understandable, the portion I have told you?
ম্যাম কে ম্যাপটা বলুন আরেকবার।
Okay, আরেকবার বলছি। Now, if you think of this is the A, B, C, D in this direction, A, B, C, D, how we will read? We will read in this fashion. Previously, when it was in this side, we also done A bar, B bar, then C bar, D bar. A bar, B horizontally, we taken the pair, then vertically. But here, how we are doing? Because A is the MSB, right? So we will be reading this one. This cell, how it we are reading? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. This cell, A bar, B bar, C bar, D. This cell, A bar, B bar, C, D bar. This cell, A bar, B bar, C, D. That. Wait for a second. So I remember this part because I wanted to show you that if the thing is going to be changed, that is the K-map variables are oriented in a different fashion, how we can solve the things. It is not too difficult, only a bit, it will take 2 minutes of time to let you understand. So you please note this one. You just remember the note, এটাকে note করে নে, please note this one, then I will be telling you, okay? The positions, it will be 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. It's taking too much of time. Okay, so what are the values in case of 0 to 15? What are the values that are prime? You know, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the 2 and this is the 3, right? 4, 5, this is 5, 6, 7. So this is 5 and this is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11, okay? And then 12, 13, 13 is there, 14 and 15. Have you understood this point, or another time I have to tell?
আরেকবার
বলছি।
1 গুলো কিভাবে বসাচ্ছি?
Now for this case, you see, generally we draw the K maps like this way, okay? When we are telling why we are writing this one, Suppose you have A, B, C, D. Okay. A is the MSB and D is basically the LSB. So in this case, when any function f you are going to plot, we are going to write AB as CD. This is the way we write generally AB here and CD here, right? But if it is going to be altered, okay, and we find that we just plot it, right, in this way. This is why we are putting 0. Can you tell me why we put the mean term 0? What is the position? We read from this side because A is the first thing, right? Left to right we will be read. So this is basically A bar B. But the previously what we did? A bar B, AB and AB bar. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar. We did it. 0, 1. Can you tell me why we are writing 0? Because if you see this one, if you read horizontally, then vertically, what is the cell value? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. What is the mean term of this position? Can you tell me? What is the mean term? You remember this one? We discussed. Huh? মনে পড়ছে?
না দেখিনি ঠিকভাবে মনে পড়ছে না।
So when we did this mean term chapter, you just see the video of mean term chapter. When you have some variable like A, B, C, D, how we calculated the mean terms?
Ma'am, we will have to see the output. Like if it is
No.
if
What are the mean terms? How we calculated?
ma'am, the output we get 1, we will have to indicate it like 0 A dash. Like
Yes.
for example,
Yes.
if we get for 2 we will be getting 1 as the output, right? But because
Yes.
2 is a prime number, so
Yes.
we will indicate it like A dash B dash
Yes, like
C
that.
D dash.
Okay, so
0 0 1 0.
for this case it will be A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. I'm just writing normal mean term. I'm not putting it in any of the functions. Okay, normal mean term. Okay, for variable, what are the mean terms? It will be A bar, B bar, C bar, D. You remember this one? If it is
Yes.
0 0 1 0, it will be A bar, B bar. What was the max term? So if you sum of mean terms, you calculated in theory. C,
Yes,
D
ma'am.
bar, we did. So when we are searching for any variable here, actually we read shown, we read it like from A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay, then we are putting it as 0. Okay, because this means what? This means this value, and this means what? This means M0. What is the suffix? 0. The suffix value we used to represent here.
ও হ্যাঁ মিন টার্মে
Yes. 0 হয় mean term. So the positions, actually the positions of the cell, how we are getting the positions of the cell, we used to write 0 1 2 3. How we are getting? Actually we are calculating the thing. Okay, like for this case, can you tell me? I'm keeping this one orange. For this case, it will be A bar, B bar, then C bar, D, because it is A bar, B bar, row wise, and column wise C bar, D. So 0 0 0 1 is what? This one. So it is M1. That's why the suffix value is 1, and the cell position we have used 1. Got it?
yes
So
ma'am.
this is the standard way we used to put the positions in the K map. Now, if I want to change it to in a different way, CD in this side, and if you want to change AB in this side, so what is going to happen? So it will be what? A bar, B bar. It will be A bar, B. It will be AB, and this is AB bar. Similarly, If it is CD in this side, so it is C bar D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. Is it clear to you? But only the variable names of each of the rows and columns. Now can you tell me what is this position value if you start from AB? You just tell me the midterm.
Ma'am, this is 0
How we are
because
getting
A bar B
A bar B bar, then
C bar D bar.
so it is all A bar
Zero.
means 0 0, so it is 0, that is M0 0. This is M0, right? So that's why the suffix is 0, so this position is 0. Now again for this case, what is going to happen? This value A bar B bar C bar D. For this cell, what is going to happen? It will be A bar B bar C bar D. For this cell, what is going to happen? If A bar B bar C bar D, this is M1. For this cell, A bar B bar CD.
CD.
Right? A bar B bar CD.
3,
That
ma'am.
means yes, M3. For this cell, A bar B bar CD bar.
CD.
2, ma'am.
2.
2. So will it be 0 1 2 3 or 0 1 2 3?
Ma'am, 0 1 3 2.
3 2 means I used to write 2 then 3. Got it? Why the naming that this way? Eta kotha hoche, you just calculate. So it will be, this position is what? A bar B C bar D bar, right? If I say A bar B, I am talking about this position. So it will be A bar B C bar D bar. What is the mean term?
4.
সোহম বুঝেছিস? সোহম ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছে।
হ্যাঁ আরেকবার বলুন, আমি ডিস্ট্রাক্ট হয়ে গেছিলাম একটু।
ডিস্ট্রাক্ট তো হবেই। পাবজি নেই তাও ডিস্ট্রাক্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, কেন হচ্ছে আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। দিস ইজ সেকেন্ড ইয়ার, হ্যাঁ এখন থেকে ডিস্ট্রাকশন করো না। যাই হোক, এটা অফিসিয়াল রেকর্ডে হচ্ছে। 0 1 2 3 মানে চাকরি পাওয়ার পর ডিস্ট্রাকশন টেন হবো, এখন না।
না না ওই ডিস্ট্রাকশন নেই। হ্যাঁ
না না ঠিক আছে, ইটস ওকে ইটস ওকে। 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 কেন হলো আরেকবার বলে দিচ্ছি, শুনে নে, অন্যদিকে তাকাস না। So this is the mean term, you got it from A bar B bar C bar D. A bar B bar C bar D means 0 0 0 0, that is M0. This position is A bar B bar C D bar, that is A bar B bar C bar D. Right? That is 0 0 0 1, that is M1. This position is what? A bar B bar CD, that is 0 0 1 1, that is M3. Last one is A bar B bar CD bar, that is 0 0 1 0, that is M2. মানে wherever bar is there you put 0, and wherever the variable is present you put 1, and you calculate the the decimal of that to get the position value.
যেহেতু এবিসিডিটা লেখা চেঞ্জ করে দিয়েছি মানে পজিশনটা, তাই জন্য হরাইজন্টাল থেকে এখন ভার্টিক্যালি পুট করছি আমরা।
Exactly. So that's why I remember this, I told you in your class, so that because at that point of time I was taking your theoretical classes, I thought of giving some question by reverting this one. Anyways, so you can put the value.
এরকম ভাবে
কেন আসবে না? No, if you do it normally ABCD, and if you then also solve it, it will give you some equation like this. Okay, and if you solve this one,
ম্যাম
yes,
ম্যাম কে ম্যাপটা জান একটু। ম্যাম এটাতে যে এ বার বি আর সিডি তে মানে যে 5 and 7 এর ওই ভ্যালু গুলোকে নিয়ে একটা এখানে হলো না পেয়ার।
কোনটা বলো?
এই যে 5 and 7 এ যে 5 and 7
This
হ্যাঁ
is
ঠিক
0,
আছে
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
হ্যাঁ ওই 1 দুটোকে নিয়ে একটা পেয়ার কেন হলো না?
এই দুটো
হুম
already these are within the pairs. If you want to make another pair, there will be plus another 3 term variable. Will you make extra?
নো ওকে
আচ্ছা,
Okay. See
এই
for
এই
all.
কে ম্যাপটা যেটা দেখাচ্ছ ওইটা তো আমাদের এটা প্রাইম নাম্বারের তো,
This is for prime.
তাহলে 0 1 2 3 তে 1 বসেছে, 4 5 এ বসেছে, 6 7 এ বসেছে একটা, তারপরে 8 9 এ এখানে বসেছে আরেকটা।
Where
দেখি
is
এটা
8, 9,
ও
10,
8 10
11.
এদিকে শিফট হয়ে গেছে। ও
হুম।
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
You have to do that way itself. Okay, then you will get the values.
Ma'am,
Got it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
after this slide you make the pairs no. In that 3 1 when where the numerical
You can-
key is there.
Which one? This one?
Yes, this one is already in this one is already having pair with 2. Then why
No, this is already paired with 2, but you see, when we will be doing, na, you are telling that within even after not making this one, you can do it. If I am doing some extra, you can curtail it, because at that point of time, can the variable be even smaller? The equation? I have not checked actually. Like these 2 pairs I have done. These 2 pairs I have done because you see, I'm just writing here. Let's see. I have done this way, right? So it was like this 2 was 1, then this 2 was 1, and then 9, 10, 11 was 1. Anything I'm missing?
আরে আমি করব বলছি, করব কিনা জিজ্ঞেস করছি।
I think no. 2, 3,
ম্যাম
4,
13
5, 6, 7. Yes, it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right here, right? Is it?
এক্সামে কি বলে দেবে নাকি কোন আমরা তো যে কোনো একটা মেথডে করতে পারি, মানে এরকম হরাইজন্টাল বা ভার্টিক্যাল যে কোনো একটা করতে পারি।
Yes. Whichever you feel, you do it.
ওই অফিসের হেড
I
ম্যাম
need the
আমরা
fact-
যদি
বলছে একটা ও বলছে
বলবো আমরা যদি লিখে নি 1 2 3 4 করে সেটা কি প্রবলেম হবে?
No,
ওকে ম্যাম
you can write in the corner if you want.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
ঘর পাওয়ার সময় তো
So I actually made the page. Somebody was asking. I am not actually observing who is
Yeah.
asking. This pair I am doing. Okay, so I can make. See, there are other ones are there. So you have to make something. It's not possible to make quad. So one is there. So I can easily make another pair of this. So another one is there. I have to pair it. Otherwise, it will make a single value and number of variable will be 4. So if I make a pair this one with this overlapping part, so it will be a pair. So the number of variable will be curtailed to 3. Okay, and then another pair. Now somebody was asking me the question. What was your question?
And my question was why we have made that third so in that third row first column why you are making him pairing with that one more one already here he has made pair with two.
যে গাইডাই ছিল স্ক্রিনে
This one? Please listen carefully. These are 2 ones. Okay, I have made one pair. Now if I want to include this one, otherwise it will be a standalone one. Okay, so I want to make it a pair, so I made it like this. So to include this one and make it a pair. If I want to make, it can be a standalone one, but it will be of a 4 variable. If I want to make this function as a separate, so how many variable this one is going to show you? This is going to show you basically this position means this is going to show you A, B bar, C, D. Do you understand? If I'm not going to make a pair. So that's why I want to make a pair and this value is going to be paired with this value. So one variable will be curtailed. Okay. Now then this 2 rest is Can it be even shorter? I do not remember the thing. If it is curtailed even more, you can do that also. So actually I have used this one. So something can you do some even shorting, smaller miniaturization? Means there are 4 pairs. Can you do it even within 3 pairs? If you can do it, then there is no problem. You can do it.
Ma'am, one more question is there.
Share the meeting
Why
Yes.
we swap the columns and the rows, the last columns and rows?
इसके
Is
साथ
there
share the
is
meeting
This
any
one.
reason why? No,
This
ma'am,
one.
that column. No, ma'am, we swap the columns so that
না আমি কোনো
suddenly we
মন্তব্য করবো না
move
এই
the
নিয়ে প্রচুর
This two.
second
ঝামেলা
column
যেগুলো হয়েছে ওই নিয়ে
second
বলতে
column
হবে
to the
ওই নিয়ে
third column is
মিটিং
one
নেবো
when we
No,
আমরা
no.
বুঝতে
No.
পেরেছি
So yes, yes, I'm understanding. So you have not
প্রোগ্রামটাকে নিয়ে এই
actually you have
ঝামেলা
not
নিয়ে কথা হবে
understood this part. I have just
স্যার
telling once again.
জানতে চাইবে না বলতে
See,
গেলে
when I'm
প্রবলেম
talking
আছে
about this
ঠিক আছে
part, na, so how you calculated this position
বলতে
1,
হবে
2, 3, and 4?
আদারওয়াইজ
Can you
সিআরএস
tell
থেকে
me?
এসকে থেকে চেলো না
The
কেন
way you have not listened that
এই
part.
এসকে
Actually,
ওই
this
চিন্তাটা
position
ভাবছে
shows A
ওইটা
bar, B
নয়
bar, C bar, D
এসকে
bar.
থেকে
I
বলতে
have
আর
written A
ইনপুট
bar, B
দিতে
bar,
হবে
C bar, D bar. The mean term will be R means 0. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is the decimal value of 0, 0, 0, 0? 0. That is M0. That's why the position value I am written here 0. So can you just tell me what is this position that or what is this value for this cell?
আমার না জিজ্ঞেস করলে কিছু
that
বলতে
will be A, B
B
bar,
bar. Yes.
C bar, D bar.
I'm putting. What is the decimal value?
And it will be 1, 5.
এসকে সামনে সবসময় ফোকাস থাকতে হয়
Five. No, no.
ভালো বলছি সে
1, 2,
এসকে সামনে সবসময় ফোকাস
8, 8.
8, 8. Yes, 8, 8.
কোনো বাজে ঝামেলা হবে না
What is this position value?
সবাই বুঝতে পারছে যে
This
বাচ্চা
one?
ছেলেদের দিয়ে
This
করাতে
position?
হচ্ছে
Black
A,
one?
B bar, C bar, D.
ওই যে অ্যালেক্স বাচ্চা ছেলে সত্যজিৎ চক্রবর্তী ওর ডাক নাম অ্যালেক্স
Nine.
বাবা
Got it? Why we are putting
Means that the column which we are swapping is dependent on the grade code which we are writing.
yes,
কি
yes.
বাপ তো বলে আইআইটি
Got it? Similarly, if you have the previous conventional methods in the previous cases, we have also swapped, right? So the row we have swapped. The third row we have done on the 8, 9, 10, 11 we have done in the last row. Remember the previous case when AB was at the left and CD was on the top. Conceptually, this is the way actually that for this reason I wanted to focus because in GATE you know, and all of you must know that from this year onwards you have your GATE examination, you can appear from the third year itself. Okay, so if it is like that, it's not like that what is the expression of full and full subtract and all these things. Okay, you add this question also, prime, non-prime. Okay, so the thing is that maybe any descriptive question they will give you and they will be asking you what the output you can do. So conceptually you have to understand that thing. Okay, otherwise the GATE questions will be there, and if you have some placement is your first priority definitely, but in the third year if you are capable of cracking the GATE, that will be added in your CV, right? So that is a plus point you have. And in cracking a GATE exam is not too much big deal. If you are a bit strategic, that is, some aptitude questions will be there. Please do the classes of Taposh sir very meticulously, because those things will be common for your placement, for your GATE, for you if you are going for CAT. So some tricks are there, right? Right though. So please go through all those things. Any government exam also it is important. Okay, so you can easily do some technical part like you do digital COA, all these things we will be teaching you this semester. These are all in GATE. Especially COA is very, very important. Digital is important. DBMS, maybe DBMS, discrete maths is it. 3 subjects that you are having, all are there in this. Data structure is also there, 4 subjects.
ভালো লাগবে বাবা।
So what I mean to see that, tell you that
Really?
please do all these things, okay? This is all about the thing. The simplification part is there and the circuit diagram was big. Okay, you can do this type of circuit, you can do in circuit first. Okay. Now, it is all about the thing. And if I talk about, today we have another class, right? What are the experiment 21, 22, 23, 24? Can you tell
ভুল
me?
করতে গেল
I do not remember. Let's see. If ICs are there, it cannot be done, definitely. Experiment number 21, you have the multiplexers. So either you can do the multiplexing, you can do the normal multiplexer, and you can do some multiplexing operation, and then you give the input like this. Okay, that the way, instead of creating IC, you can make one multiplexer and you can give the inputs. But if you are going for circuit version, if you are going for Proteus, you have to use certain ICs like 4539B and all these things to implement this one. Ritesh, have you got my answer?
Hello.
Ritesh,
Hello.
yes, you got my answer. If it is circuit verse, then what you can do is that you can make one multiplexer circuit, right? Multiplexer. So actually you can do one multiplexer circuit. What was the experiment of multiplexer? That is a simple 4:1 multiplexer. You can make it from this. What was the equation of multiplexer? I'm clearing this one, okay? If you are going for 4:1 marks, then how will you implement that one? So in that case, you can find that what is y. Actually, you need to have two select lines, okay? So, or I or whatever is the thing. So you got it like, you can think of like S1 bar, S0 bar. You have this one, right? So it is I0 plus S1 bar, S0 I1 plus S1 S0 bar I2 plus S1 S0 bar bar. This one. Is it clear to you, Ritesh? Now you can implement this one in circuit verse. Can you implement this marks in circuit verse? বুঝতে পারলি কিনা বল। You can implement this multiplexer in circuit verse, right?
হ্যাঁ, ওইটাই আমি একটু দেখিয়ে দিন সার্কিট ভার্সে কিভাবে করবো।
This one. Okay. So you can find out that if it is like, you can have marks is also there. You have the multiplexers are there, and that is also here, but it is 2:1. You require actually 4:1. So instead of that, you can do it by doing this. So you can find, it will take time. So S0 bar, S1 bar, I0. So you can think of this one as one product is there, two things are there, Okay, this one you can find it out. And definitely you have the okay. So if you have one I0, you can take it. I'm just showing you one point. Okay, so you can think of this one as your one I0 or I1, whatever you like. And definitely another gate you will be requiring, because okay, can you see this one? S0 bar, S1 bar, I0. This is basically the two gates, that is the two select lines are there, and I0 is another input. So if you think of this way, so three input will be there. If you think of this one as S0, so you have to put something that is important, that is some NOT gate you have to use. So you can put some NOT gate here. Instead of doing that, you can put some NOT gate here. Okay, and if you think that S0, S1 is like this, so you can find it. So this is basically I0 and I1, you got it. This is I0, I1. And if you think of this, sorry, S0, S1 bar bar, and I0 is the third input. So you can do it as the third input is going to be basically going to be the this one. Okay, so definitely here you have to give three things. Okay, so actually you have to make the circuit of the multiplexer first. It will take time because all the things are there. So similarly, this is got the I0 bar, I1 bar, sorry, not I0, S1 bar, S0 bar, and this is basically the I0. So similarly, for this case, you have to put another gate here. You can put another gate here.
আমি যা করেছি ঠিক করেছি, এই কারণে করলাম না, বিকজ হচ্ছে অনেক জিনিস দেখি নতুন অ্যাড করেছে এনসিইআরটি সিলেবাসে, সেই নতুন এনসিইআরটির বই আমার কাছে নাই। বায়োলজি দুখানা কি তিনখানা নতুন কোশ্চেন ছিল।
This is basically the I2.
720 করা যায়।
And these are basically the select lines. So what are the inputs of this? That depends on this value. Okay, if it is I1, definitely. If it is S1, S0, so it will be definitely first is basically the 0 0 line, whatever is this one. So you can think of this is basically
ফিজিক্স কেমিস্ট্রি না করলে আমাকে বায়োলজি ভালো মার্কস আসতো, ভালো র্যাঙ্ক আসতো।
okay, like that you can continue. So this is the way you will get the multiplexer. So you will be getting the এটা কি বুঝতে পারলে কিভাবে করবে মার্কসটা? So this way you can make the marks. So first one is I0 I1. So I0 bar, I1 bar, sorry আবার ভুল বলছি, S0 S1 S0 S1 bar S0 bar, and the third input is basically the I0. You will be getting 1 actually, and after that ultimately you have to put some add, that is the OR gate you have to use, that is going to OR all the 4 outputs, right? Then the final marks output will be like that, because you see the equation, this one is one part, this one is another part, this one, and all the things are added. Okay, so conceptually you understand the thing, the rest part you can do it. So ultimately this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing.
Ma'am, once you will explain the structure of IC 4539.
Okay. The person who is asking me the question, is it clear to you? So if you think of 4539, you just see this one.
ম্যাম
Hmm.
ম্যাম অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সাবমিট করার টাইমটা একটু বাড়িয়ে দেবেন, এখন তো 3:30 বাজে।
আচ্ছা তাহলে তোরা কর সব।
5টা অবধি করে দিন তাহলেই হয়ে যায়।
5টা তো আমার তো 4টার সময় অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স গুলো। আচ্ছা আমি what I can do, you just give the assignment. I'm making it not required for this current moment. A second time you try to submit this one, okay?
ওকে ম্যাম।
Because attendance is important.
ম্যাম ট্রাই করছি অ্যাটলিস্ট একটা করার, কারণ টাইম তো নেই।
Okay, at least you want to try one thing. Which one you want to do?
অ্যাডার, ফুল অ্যাডার।
Okay, I'm keeping that one required and this one not required, okay?
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ।
লাগছে না কিন্তু।
So somebody is asking me the IC configuration part. I'm telling this once again. This is the 4539B IC and you can find out that
ম্যাম এই আইসি এর এইগুলো সার্কিট বাসে কিভাবে করব?
no circuit, there is no IC in circuit verse, so you cannot do that one. You can do multiplexer and all these things, but you cannot do this. You do not have this type of IC in circuit verse.
তাহলে ম্যাম এক্সাম দিতে গেলে
What you can do here in this case, the thing you have to make the full circuit of this, okay, and that one will be working as the marks. These two you can consider as the B and C, that is the two select lines, okay, and these values are basically the A bar A. বুঝতে পারলি আমি কি বলছি? Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
না এটা ঠিক বুঝালাম না।
That means if you think of this circuit, this whole circuit what you are doing here, maybe it's not completed, the whole thing will be like that. What are the select lines here? S1 and S0, right? These two are the select lines because S1 bar, S0 bar, then this is the I0, right? So can you see here that here S1 and S0 bar are what? This B and C. So instead of thinking of this is as S1 and S0, you can think of this as B and C of the adder, of the input of the adders, okay? And here this A is basically I0, here A bar is basically I1, A bar is, so actually for this case, if you think of the summation part, what we can think of, you will be basically shorting this two. Means you have to find out this two is 2 and 3. This part I have not done. Whatever the two inputs, it will be shorted, and whatever the 4 input, it will be shorted. Then, but that circuit is going to be huge. Okay. If you are not having this, then I have to change the experiment. So conceptually you have to implement the marks, then you have to think of these two as B and C, and then this thing you have to do it as A, the next is A bar, the next is A bar, and the fourth one is A, like that. বুঝতে পারলি আমি কি বললাম? মানে এটাকে এই all these things are basically in the box. এই পুরো জিনিসটাই বক্সে আছে মনে হবে, শুধু বেরিয়ে আছে এই দুটো বার সিলেক্ট লাইনের আর এই চারটে হবে, চারটে বার থাকবে। বুঝতে পারলে? ওটা হচ্ছে কনসেপচুয়ালি ওইভাবে করা যায়। যাই হোক, তোরা সাবমিট গুলো কর অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা, ঠিক আছে? নাহলে আমি এটাকে নট ম্যান্ডেটরি করে দিচ্ছি, করে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা সাবমিট কর। এই অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা আবার যাবে এতে। Ritesh, is it clear to you? Okay. So somebody is asking me about the pin configuration. I do not know. Please mention your name while you are asking, because I can see the. So this is the pin configuration, and you can find out there are two multiplexers. Okay. So this multiplexer, one multiplexer we will be using as the implementation of the adder. That is, it is going to do the summation part, and another is used to do the generation of the carry part. So you can think of the within the multiplexer, what are the pins there? 3, 4, 5, 6 are the pins, and we are getting the output from the multiplexer. Here it is basically the 7 number pin that is coming here out of this marks, and here you have this 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13 are the input, and you will be getting the output from 9. So when you are doing this type of problems, so I'm just repeating once again. Suppose you are going to implement the full adder using marks. So you are doing this summation part, and then you have the carry, and you know how you have obtained this. The sum part, the normal truth table, the way you do it. Now, which min terms are 1, you have to find out. That is, this is 3, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. So, for carry part, 3, 5, 6, 7 are, we are writing 3, 5, 6, 7 in the min term fashion. Okay. Similarly, if you think of the summation part, carry means 3, 5, 6, 7. For summation part, it is basically 1, 2, then 4 and 7. So for the summation part, we are writing 1, 2, 4, 7. Now for this case, we will be finding as, this is known as the implementation table. So summation part, what we are writing, that we have to encircle those particular things. Okay. So what are the values here that we are going to encircle? Now the structure of the implementation table, we will be writing in a marks. D0, D1, D2, D3 are the 4 input lines. 0, D0, D1, D2, D3. And we are implementing using 4:1 marks. So we are using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. So for this case, this is the pattern for the implementation table. If it is 8:1 marks, it will be longer. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 15. So it will be like that. If it is 8:1 marks implementation table. And you can find, if you are going to encircle this one, what I have done, I have not encircled, I have just colored it as red. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, this I have done red, this I have done red, 4 and 7, red and red. Okay. Now you can do it like, you just, if the thing that is there in red or encircled, I will write that variable, that corresponding variable. I will be writing here a bar. It is open in PDF, that's why I am not unable to write. I do not know. Anyways, so I can write here as A. This
Ma'am,
is
what
red.
is the function of STB in this circuit 4539?
Which one? Strobe. Strobe. It is working as strobe. Okay. So until and unless the strobe is 1, that particular marks is not going to be activated. If the strobe is 0, you can see here that this diagram, I can find that the strobe, suppose this is only, I'm just for experimental purpose, I have done that there are 2 marks, I want to activate 1 marks. So the strobe, I want to activate first marks. That's why the strobe 1, I have made 1. You can do it by putting it 0. You will be observing that whatever the changes you are doing in the input, that is not getting reflected at the output. Okay. So the strobe is basically one kind of enable you can find, because in the multiplexer you have the enable. In theory, maybe sir has told you enable, instead of enable they are telling it as strobe.
স্ট্রোকটা কোনটা ম্যাম এখানে আরেকবার বলুন?
Pin number 1 and pin number 15.
ওকে, ঠিক আছে।
This one you can find pin number 1. This is enable here in this diagram, but here in this Proteus format we are writing this 2 as strobe, but in IC format we write it as enable. Got
তো
it?
আরেকবার লাস্ট স্ট্রোবের ফাংশনটা আরেকবার বলবে?
Okay. So strobe is basically is an enabler. Means if the strobe is 1, it is written, please read once again. When strobe is 1, the marks 1 will work. The strobe 1 is 1. I'm not bothered about strobe 2 for this case. I want to make the marks 1 work. I'm not giving input to marks 2 inputs. Okay, y0, y1, y2, y3 are open.
4:1 তো ডুয়েল মার্কস কাজ করে না, তাই জন্য।
I want to enable only 1 marks. I just showed this snapshot how to work it. It is not the implementation of carry or sum of the full adder. Just how it works that I showed you in the first 2-3 pages. Okay. Then you have the select lines as 14 and 4. Here you can see this 2, that you have 14 and 2, this 2 you can see here, the 14 and 2, that is pin number 14. And this A or B we are not writing, actually these are the select lines S1 and S0, but in pin diagram they are writing as A. I cannot change it. Okay. So depending on the condition of this select lines S1 and S0, actually we are getting the output. So if it is 0, 0, the first input that is coming, the data that is coming to the first line x0, that is going to the output. If you make it 0, the output is going to be 0. But if you change it in the other inputs, it is not going to be reflected here. That is the question I may ask, that if you are making 0, 0 and if you are going to change like this 0 or 0 or 0 to 1, 1, 1, is it going to be reflected here? No. Because 0, 0 select line means first channel is to be, or first line is going to be channelized to the output pin number 7. Okay. So that's what I have written. If those two pin values are 0, 0, then x0 input is this one of marks 1, because it is marks 1, is going to be at the output pin number 7. Is it clear to you? If you change this, now tell me.
I'm clear it is.
Okay. So if you change the select lines to 0, 1, definitely the second input that is coming to x1, it is written here, that is the second input that is coming to x1 is going to be reflected here. If you can do it, do the experiment. You make the other changes 1, 0, 1, 0, whatever changes you will, it is not going to be reflected here. Only this change is going to be, because you have done this one as 0, 1. So actually S1 is this lower one and S2 is this one. Okay. Sorry, S0 is the upper one, S1 is the lower one. Okay, like that you make it 1, 0. So the third input is going to be channelized. And if you make it 1, 1, the fourth input is going to be channelized. Got it? So similarly, you can implement for the second marks also. Now, if the question comes that you have to do the full adder, you have to use the 1 marks for your sum generation part and the second marks for the carry generation part. Now, what are going to be the inputs that you have found out from which table? If I tell you from which table you have found out what can be the input of the marks? It was the previously mentioned implementation table. From there, actually, you have found out whether this pin is going to be A or A bar or A bar or A whatever. So I have to put something, right? So instead of this one, the select line values what was there A and B in those two cases, I will be connecting these two lines. Okay, এটা বোঝা গেছে না বোঝা যায়নি?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
So that's why we connected this one as this one, and the carry part we have connected like this. First one was A bar, A, right? So this I considered as A, this I considered as B, and this I considered, because S1 then S0, right? So B and C, so A, B, C. This A, B, C is 1, 1, adder is going to be, sum is 1, the first one is sum and second is carry. And you can see here I use that both of the marks, so I have kept the strobe 1 STB1 and STB2 as 1, 1. Okay, here for this case both the strobes are 1, 1. You can change the inputs and you can select what can be the output. Okay, so do you have any other doubts?
Ma'am, what is race around condition in flip-flops?
A race around condition is basically the condition you can find basically if both the things are 1, 1, 1, it's a toggle condition, right? So to remove the race around condition, we actually go for the master slave flip-flop. Okay, so if we do not want that one, we have to put some NOT gate between the master and slave, the clock part actually. The first clock will go to master and the second clock is to be passed through one NOT gate and put to the another JK. Actually first JK and second JK, two JK flip-flops are there. And first clock is going directly to the first JK and second clock is basically going through a NOT gate. So once the master is on, the slave is not on, means one NOT gate delay will be there. Okay, simultaneously both the things cannot be one. Okay, now do you have any other queries related to this? BCD to XS3 and XS3 to BCD you have already done, right? Nilanjan has multiple times told you. So one of your friends was asking me, number system conversion means decimal to octal, decimal to hex, decimal to binary, or vice versa, all possible. And code conversion means XS3 to BCD, BCD to XS3, or normally BCD to gray, gray to BCD, like this one, binary to gray. These are basically the code conversions. Okay, so basically from code conversion chapters also there are different things, you can go through that. Okay, so I'm not exaggerating too much. These are the things you have studied already. Please go through the circuit diagram. If you are unable to solve this one, you can actually break the circuit and you can simulate step by step. Okay, if you are not able to, you do it fractionally. If you are unable to make one big circuit, you just tell me, ma'am, this is for this first bit, second bit, third bit and fourth bit. That also we will accept. If you are unable to do simultaneously or error is coming, something like that, and if clock error is coming, then I will request, then you can go through the Proteus part. Have you seen that one, the Proteus, that is the circuit first, how we have done the clock part? In the last class I have told you, right? You can use this one also. The different flip-flops are also there. You can simply implement that one if you want. Okay, so I like to end it here. So you please give the attendance because I need to submit it by 4 or 4:05.
ম্যাম
বলো।
ম্যাম আমাদের বাকি যে কোশ্চেন গুলো মানে কিছুটা তো লিখলাম, আর ভাইবার জন্য আর বাকি পরে। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক
কত
ইউ।
অব্দি লিখেছিলি? প্রাইম নন প্রাইম অব্দি, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ,
Up to
ওইরকমই।
experiment 7, 8 অব্দি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
মানে if you think of every circuit, the circuit truth table, 3 points for every circuit that is common. That is truth table. Then you have the circuit diagram. Okay, and maybe some few internal questions, IC diagrams and IC pin numbers and IC numbers. Okay. Special IC, whatever we have used for different flip-flops, up to flip-flop we are keeping for the term 1, okay, midterm 1. Okay, so we can conclude here now. So if you have we have another class, right? So we will be doing some other types of problems related to addressing mode in COA. So I'm stopping the. Okay, so you give the attendance and
বাবা, আমরা একদিন যদি মেসি না পেলে মারাই যাবে না। কি বলে এমন অবস্থা বলো?
নেটওয়ার্কের খারাপ অবস্থা।